and welcome. Today's video is another edition of Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money? So, did you see this sneaky peeky over on Instagram? Shop Alter Ego. They did a little sneak peek of this beautiful coastal palette. And if you are like, what does that look familiar? What is that? Oh, let me show you. The Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. Y'all say you love when I put high-end up against affordable. That's what we're doing in today's video. And there is a giveaway in today's video. So before we jump in, if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, we're all about embracing the hot mess, which, woo, it's strong today, let me tell you. This is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where I like to put high-end, expensive palettes, makeup up against affordable palettes to save you all money. Now, not everybody and their mother wants to spend $69 on a palette, or they can't, and that's okay. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to tell you all, is this under $20, because we got a coupon code, worth under $20, or should you just go ahead and buy the $69 palette? So I'm testing that out for you all today, and I'm pretty excited about it. So this is the part in the video that we go ahead, we pause it, take a wild guess. The circle vase side, is this the high-end side? Is it the affordable side? Which one is it, y'all? Which one is it? Make sure to come back at the end of the video and let me know. Were you right? Were you shocked? Are you surprised? Are you grabbing this palette? And don't forget, there is a giveaway that I talk about at the end of today's video. So let's go ahead and let's jump into comparing. First off, the huge noticeable difference that comes in at $69 is this beautiful plasticky travel-friendly palette. It's gorgeous. I mean, it's definitely a beautiful palette, $69. And you know, there's that. And then we've got the palette that's under $20 with code HOTMESS. And it's in your standard type of cardboard packaging. You open it up, you have a mirror in it as well. You can see I've already dug into it and everything. You got the mixture of mattes, the duos, and the shimmers, all the beautifulness. On the other side, you do have the names and the layout of the palette. Not sure if my camera picks up on that. This is a cruelty-free palette. Also says it's available at Shop Alter Ego, which we already know. Definitely make sure to follow them over on Instagram for more sneak peeks. Is something else coming? Oh, What I went ahead and did is I swatched all the shades for you all. Now, I talk about it later in the video, but a big noticeable difference is I felt like when comparing the formulas up against each other, but with finger swatches, you could definitely feel like the cream to powder formula in the Huda felt darn near, if not identical, in the Alter Ego palette. I was shocked. So anyways, you by now have seen the swatches and everything. Let's go ahead and get into the application process. Okay, we're going to say circle vase is going to be the Huda side. The coastal palette is going to be, I don't know what those leaves are called. They're not called palms. We're going to call it the poofy side. So circle vase, poofy flower doohickeys. Ooh, I did go ahead and prime my lids, of course, with the amazing OFRA Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base. I do use the shade medium. Starting with the Huda palette, I think I'm going to jump in first. This light pink shade, which is Happiness, is calling my name. So as always, if you are new to Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money, what I do is I do have a rag right here. I do use the same brush, but I clean it off in between. Brush cleaner I'm going to be using is by Hotmess A. So if you're new here, I do what I call the tap tap dab dab method. So the reason I do that is I do have mature, slightly hooded lids. So I find if I tap the product in, things go on smoother without a skipping type of look to them. So building that color up, I'm going to take a little underneath the eye. Jumping to the other side, we're going to go in with the shade Shell. I do leave my eye primer tacky, and I set it with the eyeshadows. Right away, we do see a bit of a color difference. Surprisingly, it's actually the Huda side that is a little bit warmer. I honestly feel like this coastal side is smoother. Do you guys see that? Hopefully my camera's picking that up, but I definitely feel like the coastal side is definitely smoother. It's more of a vibrant color. I love that. I just think that is absolutely stunning. I love this shade. So between Shell and Happiness, Shell is definitely winning here. Okay, by the way, the brush that I just used was by Bling Brushes. This was part of the Ice Queen collection. This is E51. It's a floofy kind of brush. Next, I'm going to stick with the Ice Queen collection and move into E52. Code Hotmess will save you 10% at Blinged Brushes as well as at Alter Ego. Okay, we're gonna jump back on over to the Huda palette and let's go in with Precious. These two colors together are beautiful. Jumping in to the Coastal palette, we're gonna go in with the shade Urchin. Okay, my mind's a little boggled. Okay, so Urchin versus Precious. I, again, say that the Alter Ego side looks smoother. I'm going to give this shade over to Alter Ego. Okay, I'm going to be real mother chucking daring right now. I don't typically do this, but I'm going to do it. So we are going to go in with the rougher brush. This is Rougher 13. And we're going to go in with the shade Mantra from the Huda side, and I'm gonna place it as dark, as real dark. We're gonna place it right in the outer portion and lightly build up. Okay, moving over to the Coastal palette, same similar shade in Haze. And slowly, softly start building the color up. This is honestly one of the most perfect brushes if you have slightly hooded lids. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Empowered and Cosmic Love from Huda's palette right here. Those two shades. I'm going to go in with the deeper one and put it in the center and blend it out into that Precious shade. And then take Cosmic Love, put it towards the inner, and kind of overlap right on top of that Empowered, Empowered shade. Oh, I got the fallout. That's okay. That's okay, we're just gonna leave it. I should have put powder there. Oh well. And then I'm gonna go in with Moon Magic because this one is really pretty. And I'm gonna kind of smear that all over this eye look. Okay, so there we go. Ooh. Jumping over to the Coastal palette, doing the same thing. We're going to go in with Ripple. Then we're going to go in with, so Abyss in the center. These are such nice and soft, creamy formulas. And then Ripple. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Sparkle. Right up here. It is definitely a shifty. I love that. Let me work on the bottom portion of my eye. I'm going to go in. Next, I'm going to go back in with the Paige Corinne Bling Brushes in E44. And let's jump into the shade Serenity in the Huda palette to apply it underneath. Then jumping over to the shade, I'd say Breeze in the Coastal palette. Okay, and then I low-key, let's do an inner corner. I kind of want to use Bliss Pearl but I think that's going to be too dark in my inner corner. I don't think I'm going to have an inner corner, so I will use something that you guys will find out about in June. Okay, let me go ahead, apply mascara, lashes, and all of that, and then I will be right back. So I am back, and I'm pretty sure I have 2 different lashes on. I think one is from Hotmess Momma, the Alexis, yeah, lash, and then the other one is the Kiss Wispy ones. I'll link them for you. I'm pretty sure this is my lash situation. Yeah, I bought a case off of TEMU to put them in, or no, from the Dollar Tree, and I forgot where I put the case. So anyways, as far as the rest of my makeup that I have on, I will link what I can down below for you all. If I can make them affiliate links and codes and all that, I definitely will. FYI, you guys told me the MACK ANDI pink powder is back in stock at TEMU. I do have a 30% off coupon code if you want to use that. Yeah, I already got some in my cart. Thank you guys for letting me know it was back in stock. Some of the other products that I have on, we got the L'Oreal foundation, the liquid highlighter from OFRA. We've got the Erborian CC Red Correct. Flippin' love this stuff. The IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Dark Spots Concealer Serum. Amazing. Like I said, everything that I can link, I will. Let's talk facts here. Holy moly. Here's my thoughts. I feel like, in my opinion, both brands have kind of reformulated their formula. I could be wrong on that. I have always thought from the get-go that Alter Ego had an amazing, exceptional, affordable formula. And when you feel them up against a $69 luxury, I'm gonna call it luxury palette, high-end palette, they felt darn near identical. Like the creme de powders had like this cooling, like everything just felt. Then comparing them up against each other, Alter Ego took it. I mean, I feel like bring it in, y'all, bring it in. I feel like when I'm looking at each eye, no, I don't see a difference other than my lashes don't match, but mind your business. You chose to click on a channel that started with Hotmess. When I'm looking at the way everything looks on my eye, I could not tell there are 2 different palettes whatsoever. I will be putting an end of the day clip in this video for you all, but overall I love the way the Alter Ego performed. I mean, honestly I kind of felt like it outshined some of Huda's shades, especially the mattes. The mattes just were so smoothing, and I mean, you know, I have mature lids, and yes, my OFRA Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base does help to smooth things, but holy guacamole, this really shocked me. So for under 20 bucks, yeah, under 20 bucks with code HOTMESS, I would recommend picking this up. If in fact you are someone who just likes to collect Huda Beauty palettes or what have you, I would suggest waiting until the Sephora VIB sale goes on, because even if you're just a VIB, I think, insider, you'll at least get 10% off your purchase. It's a great, you know, palette. It's very beautiful. Can't complain. Love the color story. But at the end of the day, we literally got the exact same look at a fraction of the cost. So I'm gonna have both of them linked down below for y'all if you do want them. Don't forget, code HOTMESS is gonna save you 10%. Thank you all if you choose to use any of my links, any of my coupon codes. I definitely appreciate it. Let me know what you all think down below. Were you shocked? Did you get it right? Did you know? Could you even tell? Let's talk about it in the comment section. Thank you again to Alter Ego for sending this over my way. They did send, as I told you guys in the beginning, they did send an extra palette over, so this video is of course a giveaway. So you will receive your very own Coastal palette as well as the Alter Ego primer as well. So my giveaways, you guys know I keep them easy peasy lemon squeezy. There's going to be a form in my description box. Make sure to fill that form out in its entirety, all information. That way I don't have to hunt you down. I can just ship your winnings out when the giveaway ends. And our last winner was Carrie for the Focalure. So shout out to Carrie. By now, by the time this video goes up, she may already have her packages. I was a little delayed at picking the winner. So I think I shipped it out on the 3rd. It's the 4th when I'm filming this. So I think this is going up on the 6th. So shout out to Carrie. She was the Focalure winner. That's all I got for y'all today, y'all. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl fashion hauls. Over there, I just had a ginormous, humongous, big TEMU box show up. There's gonna be huge haul going over there on my vlog channel, so stay tuned for that. And of course, Hot Mess in the Kitchen, where your girl's getting a little bit more consistent, so check me out over there. Of course, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. And a huge ginormous shout out to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.